Welcome to Gallagher's Grub. So today is the last day of my road trip with the Weber Go Anywhere. And yesterday we went to one of the farm stands here out on Long Island. But we ended up picking up some apples, and we're going to throw some apple on the grill today, along with some spiral sausage. It's going to be great, so stick around. So here you can see we have some spiral sausage. This is chicken and sage, and we've got some apples fresh from the farm stand. We're gonna set the grill up for direct grilling. We're gonna open these vents wide open. And of course we wanna give the grates a nice scrape down. Then we'll add our sausage and give that a head start on the apples. We're going to grill these apples for about 2 to 3 minutes per side, and sometimes you lose one like I just did there to the grill gods. I think these apples are pretty much done. We're going to get these off the grill. And now the sausage is ready to come in as well. Now to finish off the apples, I'm going to add some butter to a cast iron pan, add some brown sugar and some cinnamon, and I'm going to melt these together and then pour this mixture right over the apples. So there we have our grilled chicken and sage sausage with grilled apples. I'm going to give this sausage a taste. I mean, what can you say? It's grilled sausage, it's always good. And now for some of this apple. If you haven't tried grilled apple, you really need to try it. It's delicious, especially with the butter and the cinnamon and the brown sugar. Just a wonderful side to go along with your sausage. That is delicious. So that concludes my road trip with the Weber Go Anywhere. It really is a great little grill to take on the road, especially if you want a little bit of that charcoal flavor. Now the first night we made those wings and they were great, really tasty. The second night we did that reverse seared steak, and I gotta tell you, that was one of the best steaks I've ever made in my life. And then the third night we made the grilled apples, really great, and went great with that chicken sausage. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Let me know your thoughts on the Weber Go Anywhere or your favorite grill to take on the road. Subscribe to the channel if you haven't already, and hit that notification bell so you know when new videos come out. And of course, keep on grilling.